Why you call that man that?
Never pussy. He called me sweet pussy Pauline. And I gave that whole damn all my goddamn money. Well, I ain't got my tax money yet.
Why you call that man that?
Never pussy. He called me sweet pussy Pauline.
Oh my goodness.
So Johnny and Frank are brothers. Yes. Johnny's dating your best friend. What was your first interaction like?
So we were watching and we were just laughing.
Love Hip Hop be on. It'll be back on in a minute.
What?
Love Hip Hop.
Oh yeah, I know.
Great time, and then towards the end of the night, I said to him, like, hey, what are you doing? And
I recorded it anyway.
all right, so
You said you recorded it.
I recorded it anyway. It's some ginger ale over there. And it's some
Through that first date.
it's some Sprite, some cherry lime Sprite, it's some strawberry kiwi Sprite.
What does Frank do?
Frank works as a broadcast engineer. You know the people that they set up like the LED walls and all the screens.
It is so loud now.
But that's a Love Hip Hop don't be loud.
Oh, I know it.
What kind of audio they got?
Well, I ain't got my tax money yet. And I'm goddamn waiting on it. It's never too, but it's
It
pretty.
ain't dirty.
What you mean it ain't dirty?
Like it ain't dirty as you think it would be. Because you know that antenna.
I've been putting that in there. I swear by that.
You're working on your scalp because you know how much dandruff you used to get. That bad for how long you had it.
I've been damn skinned it in there. I bought that one the other day. I said, let me buy me another. And I got one piece of one. I've been putting it on my eyebrow.
It's working.
I don't know.
It's some stuff that them people been. I'm gonna ask my mom what the name was because it's her edge back. And I start with an M. Men used to go that they had. But women been using it on their head.
Well, ask her, Carl. You know my edges are a little thin.
Oh, with an M. But she used on the edges, the eyebrow.
Well, I need some brows, cause mine so thin. And I gave that whole damn all my goddamn money.
How much was it all together?
Like $500.
Dang.
And she did shit.
Why you look at it like that?
And I did shit. I gotta go back home.
Okay, so you paying every time you go?
No, I don't pay no
It
more.
was just one time?
You know when she did it. And I told her, I said, I'm very unhappy. Oh, that boy. Oh. don't care what do. She's still that she feel that dress out, ain't she? Yeah, ma'am. Hey, let me call you back. Let me call you right back.
Alright, bye.
Lanice,
Yes, ma'am.
you in bed?
No, ma'am.
Guess who doing my hair?
Who?
Drea. Drea.
She is?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And I told her, I gave her your number.
Okay.
And I told her that you're gonna call her and make your appointment out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You here?
That's fine.
Uh-huh.
Hey,
Hey.
you doing okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I got your number now, so you can call me.
Okay.
Whenever you want to schedule.
Okay, I will.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, y'all look nice over there. Y'all got more ushers than y'all got damn preachers in the pulpit.
Right.
But y'all be on y'all post, baby. Y'all be handling. That was a big crowd. I mean, that was bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
Yes, it was.
Yeah, it was. It surely was. But y'all did a
Like,
good
that's
job.
my second time doing a funeral dome.
Well, honey, y'all better be on y'all P's and Q's sad because it's gonna be bigger than that.
Oh, it's gonna be one Saturday too?
Uh-huh.
I know she said Friday. I told her I want to be there Friday because I got to work.
Porter B. Jones, I think she gonna be Saturday.
Oh, okay.
It might be Friday. I don't
know.
know. They'll let you know. But I thought somebody told me her funeral was Saturday.
Okay, because I know Sandra told me one was Friday too. I was like, oh my God.
Oh.
I was like, I got to work that day.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Well, all right, let me let you go because you got to get up and go see about your... I hope your mama get better. Who you say your mama is? Yeah.
Alrighty.
All right.
Thank you for calling me and let me know.
Have a good night.
Who?
Let me call Mary so she can get up. That's a private investigator.
Mm-hmm.
Call me.
All right, let me... Oh, okay. That was a friend of mine that drives the traffic.